Here's where things get fascinating. You might not be aware of this, but 4 out of 5 successful people have some sort of daily meditation practice in their lives. Yes, the rich, the successful, have leveraged the benefits of meditation to focus their efforts toward achieving their goals. Here are just a couple of people you may know that attribute their success in part to meditation: Elon Musk, Oprah Winfrey, Steve Jobs, Bill Gates, Michael Jordan, Arnold Schwarzenegger, Jennifer Lopez, Ellen DeGeneres, Mark Zuckerberg, Jack Ma, Jeff Bezos, Hugh Jackman, Jim Carrey, Jerry Seinfeld, Keanu Reeves, Will Smith, Martin Scorsese, and so many more. Whoever your idol may be, it would be a safe bet that they are practicing a form of daily meditation in their lives. Now it's your turn to join this elite club.